What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Dogecoin, which has pumped up in value quite a bit in the last 24 hours. As you can see, just over 7% up, making it just under the 9 cents target. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value? Looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and especially that 2023 is just around the corner. Is a crypto worth investing into, or would you rather put your money into a different crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website right now, and we can see the market is down just about 0.2% in the last 24 hours. Nothing major, but we can see Dogecoin is more on the positive side, with me gaining about 7% right now, but earlier today we did see a hit about $13, sorry, not $13, 13%, making it go over the 9 cents target. Over the last hour, more or less fluctuated. Over the week, just about 2% up, and over the month is a massive 44% up, guys. Major increases here in early November, where it had gained 162%, nearly hitting the 10 cents target, dropped back down, and right now is getting worse and worse, but today is a positive day. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 86% in the last 24 hours, making it $807 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Dogecoin. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it is getting a lot of attention, especially in the last 24 hours. So we are going to see people taking out their profits and people investing into it. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Dogecoin at just about 0.08505, and it is trading at slightly higher value at 0.08753, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. But again, there isn't much gap here. It's just about slightly higher than its average value, so again, nothing major. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of the predictions and analysis, guys, I just want to let you guys know this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses that you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart. We can see here the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line is slightly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially, we've got two lines going the opposite directions to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what my predictions are over the next couple of hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am more or less expecting Dogecoin to be fluctuating around the 0.085 to 0.087 cents target. But again, we are going to see red candles and green candles. It's going to be quite volatile over the next 12 to 14 hours, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side, so meaning fluctuation around the current price range towards the end of the day. Now, moving on to the hourly chart now, we're looking quite steep, which means it is not realistic, and the only reason why we're seeing steep lines is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. As you can see, huge two green candlesticks here has made the graph think this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, guys. What I am expecting is an overall drop in value on Dogecoin over the coming days. So by the end of next week, so let's say early December, I am expecting it to drop down below the 8 cents target. Even though we are seeing steep lines here, that doesn't mean it's going to be pumping up in value. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines, as I mentioned, is because of the major increase here, and whenever you see steep lines, you just need to think it is not realistic. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again guys, we are looking quite fluctuation kind of style here. We got the blue line looking bullish and the orange line looking bearish, essentially same as the first chart that we saw. Both the lines are going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. So late December, early January to mid-January, I am expecting Dogecoin to be trading around the 8 to 0.085 cents target, somewhere in between there. No major changes are expected as of right now. However, of course, this may change according to any new updates, any new news that come across, especially how the crypto market has been in 2022. It's been very volatile with major crashes throughout the whole year. Hopefully 2023 we can take a U-turn with more pumps and green candles and more positive vibes rather than dropping in value. If you look at it this way, 12 months ago Bitcoin was trading at $60,000, and 12 months later, which is today right now, has dropped quite massively and right now trading at $16,000, which is not looking too good. So that's how much of a drop 2022 has been for the crypto market. But hopefully guys, we can come back and make more profits, more money in 2023. But yeah, obviously my predictions may change, may not change according to any crashes and pumps and so on, but anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are trading in the red zone right now, and for us to hit the green zone, which is the resistance target here, we're gonna have to hit 18 cents in target, meaning going for about 120 to 130% increase on Dogecoin, which I'm not expecting anytime soon. So more or less is very likely we are going to be stuck in the red zone for most of this year, and potentially for Q1 and in Q2 of 2023 is when I'm expecting us to head into the green zone. But again, it may take its time, it may take a while for that to take place, but again, it depends on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Dogecoin, guys. What I want you guys to do before you click off the video is comment down below your expectations and your predictions on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this cryptocurrency. A lot of people saying it's a scam, is a pump and dump token, so on and so on, and others are saying it's going to hit the dollar mark by the end of the year, which again, that's too extreme right now. It's going to have to go for a major increase for that to take place, which I'm not expecting from Dogecoin anytime soon. But yeah, the dollar mark is too extreme, but around the 15 to 20 cents is possible by mid next year. Again, we're gonna have to take it slowly. We can't just rush into it and make it go pump up 100, 200, 300% out of nowhere. It's gonna have to be baby steps, slow and steady increase. We don't want it to jump up to 20 cents and then drop straight back down to 10 cents. That's not really reliable. It's not really, it's just not a strong project. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Dogecoin, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.